In this video, we listed the 5 best camping stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Coleman Triton 2. The Coleman gas stove is a portable outdoor cooking solution ideal for campsites, picnics, and roadside stops. Powered by liquefied petroleum gas, this stove features 2 independently adjustable burners with a total output of 22,000 BTUs, providing powerful heat for cooking. It is constructed from durable alloy steel and measures 15.9 inches in length, 7.8 inches in width, and 24.8 inches in height, weighing 5 pounds. The stove includes 2 wind guards for burner protection, a heavy-duty latch for secure closure, and a chrome-plated grate that is easy to clean and removable for maintenance. It operates for up to 1 hour on high heat using a single 16 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately, offering convenience and efficiency in outdoor cooking scenarios. Number 2. Chef EX60LW. The Chef camping stove runs on liquefied petroleum gas and features 2 30,000 BTU burners, providing a total output of 60,000 BTUs for efficient cooking. Made from alloy steel, it measures 34 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 29 inches in height, with a weight of 2.5 kilograms. Designed for portability, it includes detachable legs and a 3-sided windscreen for outdoor use. Compatible with Chef 14-inch accessories, it offers versatility from grilling to baking, suitable for activities ranging from camping trips to tailgating events. Chef emphasizes high quality, durable equipment tailored for both wilderness adventures and home use. Number 3. Naturehike Folding Outdoor Stove. Naturehike offers a robust outdoor cooking solution with their folding camp stove, designed for versatility and durability. Powered by an isobutane propane fuel mix, this stove boasts 2 burners made of heat-resistant 430 stainless steel, each capable of supporting up to 11 pounds. The unit delivers a maximum energy output of 16,000 BTUs, making it ideal for cooking a variety of foods from eggs to steak, complemented by a side burner for coffee brewing. Its portable design, folding into a compact handbag size and weighing 5.5 pounds, ensures easy setup and maintenance, with parts that can be disassembled for cleaning. With stepless burner adjustment and Pietro ignition for ease of use, Naturehike prioritizes functionality and customer satisfaction, offering 24/7 support for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable cooking companion for camping and tailgating adventures. Number 4. Propane 2-burner stove. The Kofi Yard camping stove is a portable and versatile cooking solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Operating on propane or butane with an additional adapter, it features a foldable, hexagonal symmetrical design that fits neatly into its included carry bag, making it convenient for storage and transport. With dual burners offering independent control knobs, it accommodates various cooking needs simultaneously, such as brewing coffee or frying pans. Boasting a total output of 17,000 BTU per hour, it delivers powerful heat suitable for diverse culinary tasks from simmering to searing. Constructed from durable materials like stainless steel and iron, it ensures longevity and ease of cleaning, complemented by built-in igniters for hassle-free ignition. Ideal for camping, backpacking, and other outdoor activities, it combines compactness with robust performance, backed by a manufacturer's warranty and customer support. Number 5. Jetboil Genesis Camping Stove. The Jetboil Genesis is a portable dual-burner camp stove designed for outdoor cooking adventures. Made from aluminum, it features a powerful propane-fueled system with each burner capable of delivering 10,000 BTUs, allowing for efficient cooking even in cold conditions down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit -6 degrees Celsius. The stove includes adjustable flame control for precision cooking, and its compact design allows the burners to fold and nest inside the cookpot for easy transport. This group cooking system comes complete with a ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan, a flux ring pot with a strainer lid, a windscreen, fuel regulator, and a carrying case. It is compatible with 16.4-ounce propane canisters, sold separately, and includes an attachable windscreen for improved performance in varying weather conditions.